I love you, Abraham. I love Jerry. I love Esther. I love your whole crew. And thank you so very much for everything. My question is about the year 2022. A lot of us are currently setting intentions and segment intending in preparation for entering the new calendar year. So I was wondering if you could speak to us a little bit about what to expect and what intentions to best set to allow as much of our well being and as much of our vortex blessings as possible. I know it's all now, but towards the end of what we humans call the calendar year, a lot of intention and energies spike. So if you could speak to us about 2022, that would be amazing. I love you, Abraham. I love Jerry. I love Esther. I love your whole crew. Thank you so very much for everything.
Well, you are speaking exactly to what we were just talking about. And that is that for whatever reason, at the end of what, as you are calling your calendar year, many of you begin being more forward looking. We wouldn't spend a great deal of time rehashing the year that has just gone by or any of that which has gone by. We would jump into this fresh new vantage point of anticipating what's coming next, what's coming next. You don't need a new year to do this. You just need a new moment in time. Coming out of meditation puts you right there. Having a conversation that is on a topic that you haven't discussed before is there. Making plans is a really important part of this. Think about it. Jerry suggested to Esther recently when she said, "Hey, what do you suggest? What do you suggest for me? What do you got for me today? What's a fresh suggestion that you have for me today?" Jerry said, make more plans. Make plans. And when you think about it, think about the perfection of those two words. Make plans. Focus. Focus. Do you ever, we're just going to ask you a ridiculous question. Do you ever plan for the past? What are you doing today? Oh, I'm planning on the past. I'm making plans for the past. You don't do that. You make plans for what's next. And yet, when you're talking about the past, it's like you've activated the past. That's a waste of focus and conversation, unless there's something so delicious there that you're using it as a touchstone to find the feeling place of alignment. Making plans, making good feeling plans, making plans for fun. I'm going to give you a little New Year's rampage here. In fact, that's the end of the video, and this first question says, tying right in, what do you think about what's going on in the world right now and how we can best navigate this? Well, we think new plans are in order. We don't think it's a good idea to plan for what's going on in the world right now. That's old news. It's stale, and there's no power in that. So let's just do a rampage that ties the tail end of our video conversations together with where we're going next. So here you are, stepping in to the new year. And we want to say stepping into the new world that we are planning with this rampage. It's nice to know that our power is in our now, and that life has caused us to make vortex plans, that there are plans in the vortex that, yes, came from the bouncing off place of the past and the past and the past. But the rockets of desire have been held in active vibration by the inner beings of this physical world. The vibrational essence of all that you desire is in an active state of being. And if we were standing in your physical shoes, the thoughts that we would deliberately generate or plan for would be those thoughts that mesh and harmonize with what's going on in our vortex. I know for sure, you could say in your rampage, I know for sure that my inner being has been tending to the things that I am asking for, and that it is no question that what I am asking for is in the process of becoming. What I look forward to and anticipate in this new year is the turning of that vibrational vortex into the things that I want to call my real life experience, my New Year's experience. It's like the resolutions, the desires, the requests, the prayers, the hopes, and the dreams are all there and have been maintained and understood and held steady and are currently active vibrations in the state of becoming. And so this rampage is about me knowing that, talking myself into the path of least resistance that allows me the ability to see and hear and smell and taste and touch, to embrace in every visceral and physical way these manifestations of this new year that have been underway for quite a while.